What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to TechMan. Today our topic is all about how to reset your Binance passkey. So all you have to do is open Binance app. In the Binance app, tap the icon at the top left of your screen. While we are at it, tap your profile picture located at the top of the screen with a picture if you have. Now after tapping your profile picture, tap the Security tab below the Verifications tab. In the Security tab, tap the Passkeys tab, which says it's recommended. After tapping the Passkeys tab, the passkey you created will appear. In the Passkey tab, tap the Remove button or the trash icon on the right side of the passkey you just created. After tapping on it, it will ask for a passkey to confirm, which means you have to enter the passkey. After entering your passkey, the passkey has been removed. Now let's go back to the Security tab below the Verifications tab, which says it's recommended. After tapping the Passkey tab, tap Add Passkey located at the bottom of the screen. The pop-up notification will appear, and it will ask if you want to put a passkey for security key. Since we are here to add a passkey, let's tap Passkey. After tapping a passkey, the pop-up notification appears, which is to tap Continue and enter your passkey by typing your PIN code or biometric. After that, the passkey will be enabled.
If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.